Is it nature or nurture that shapes who we are? This question has stumped scientists, psychologists, and philosophers for centuries, sparking heated debates and countless studies. On one hand, we have the nature proponents who argue that our genetic makeup is the primary driving force behind who we are. These people believe that our DNA, the biological blueprint we inherit from our parents, largely determines our physical characteristics, our personality traits, and even our predisposition to certain health conditions. They argue that elements like our height, our intelligence, our propensity towards introversion or extroversion, and our likelihood of developing diseases such as diabetes or heart disease are all written in our genes. They propose that our genetic code is the master script, directing the play of our lives. So we see that nature plays a significant role in shaping us. But what about the environment we grow up in? Surely that must have some influence too. Indeed, our environment or nurture also has a substantial impact on our development. This part of the story, the nurture side, is all about how our surroundings shape us. It's the idea that who we are is largely a product of our upbringing, our culture, and our experiences. Consider this: your language, your manners, your beliefs, your fears, and even your dreams. These are all aspects that are nurtured. They are not determined by your genes, but are shaped by the environment you grow up in. Even our physical development can be influenced by nurture. For example, our diet and lifestyle can affect our height, weight, and overall health. So, nurture is about the world around us and how it shapes us as individuals. It's about how our experiences mold our behaviors, beliefs, and even our physical bodies. Clearly, both nature and nurture have a part to play in making us who we are. But can we say one has more influence than the other? The debate between nature and nurture is indeed complex, and both play crucial roles. Our genes and our environment intertwine in fascinating ways to shape who we are. The question isn't so much which is more important, but rather how they interact and influence one another. In our previous discussions, we've explored how both nature and nurture contribute to our development. While the environment or nurture can shape our behaviors and beliefs, nature or our genetic makeup sets the foundation. Current scientific consensus leans slightly towards nature playing a more substantial role. Still, this doesn't diminish the importance of nurture. The truth is, we're not simply a product of our genes or our environment. We're a dynamic combination of both. Our genes may predispose us to certain traits, but our experiences can either reinforce or challenge these predispositions. In the end, we are a unique blend of our genetic makeup and our life experiences. The nature versus nurture debate helps us understand this intricate interplay,